Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
So across the region, temperature coming in at 57 degrees and a dew point pretty close to it, within a degree. So the combination of that, fairly quiet winds, and sufficient moisture, especially to the south of us, we have a chance of seeing some patchy fog develop, though it really hasn't happened yet. Around the mouth of Charlotte Harbor particularly, there is the possibility of some light fog. Not a big deal, but I put it out there. 61 degrees in Wauchula, 60 in Parrish, Bradenton, Myakka coming in at 60, so is Arcadia, 61 in Northport, Lakewood Ranch, the same, a little warmer right along the immediate coast with 64 degrees at Longboat Key, 62 degrees in Venice, and the same in Inglewood. So across the region right now, we have this kind of bank of clouds, this line of clouds sinking southward. It's an old boundary. I think what will happen is that for a period of time this morning, maybe in about an hour, 2 hours, we'll start to see some thicker clouds kind of pass through this mid-morning. And then that's it. We'll have high, thin clouds thereafter, and we'll see a lot of sunshine. That'll help boost our temperatures very quickly to above average once again today. Now, those clouds that you saw don't have any rainfall in them. High pressure remains the dominant weather feature. And in fact, it becomes more centered over us with time today. As that happens, our winds become very light. They already are kind of light. They stay light as we go through mid-morning and into the afternoon. And with the heating that we get with daytime sunshine, I think we might develop a bit of a sea breeze today, believe it or not. And that sea breeze, which would normally in the summer kick off showers and thunderstorms, helps to keep the coast just a little bit cooler. But it won't kick off any showers for us because the air is too dry still. We have this trough of low pressure that's carving through the center part of the country, producing snowstorms up and down East Maine. The same one that brought the icy conditions to parts of the Midwest. Now that low pressure area on the tip of that same system is producing thunderstorms in Texas. That whole system gradually works its way eastward. As it does so, it develops this cold front that kind of carves its way through the northern Gulf Coast, producing the potential for severe weather there over the next several days. This system kind of stalls out before ever making it to Florida, but there's another one back to the west which will eject out of the Rockies, re-energize this system, push it south through our area as we head into Sunday. And that may bring us a chance of some storminess Sunday night into Monday. But until then, high pressure remains our friend, centered over our state, bringing us light winds today, a sun cloud mix, and dry conditions. Take a look at the water vapor imagery. This is dry air here in tan, and to the north of us, that kind of higher moisture content of the thunderstorms back in Texas. We stay under the influence of that dry air aloft, and that's what's going to prevent any kind of rain showers for the most part today. Here's the long-range forecast. You'll see what I'm talking about. Showers progress toward the east. They kind of stay very slowly dispersed through the Gulf waters as they kind of just stall out here. And then another storm system back to the west. That's the one that ejects on Friday morning, gets here by about Sunday, pushes that front finally through the state of Florida, and may come with a severe weather risk Sunday night into Monday. That's what we'll be watching for. Anyway, southwest wind light today, bringing you smooth conditions on bay and inland waters. And the forecast keeps us warm and mild and sunny through the most of the weekend. I would say the second half of Sunday we start to cloud up, and that's when we watch for rougher weather.